My name is Ilya Shalev, and today we're going to prepare another canonic worldwide known dish called Creme Brulee. Some people don't really dare to make Creme Brulee because they think it's complicated and it needs certain equipment, but today I'm going to show you that this is actually not true, and it's very easy and it's very pleasant dessert, especially for after a beautiful summer day. Before I start, I want to point out how much it is important to follow the recipes, and I'm working today with my scale, and directly I'm putting some cream in here. Here I have a little bit of vanilla that's going to be gently brought to boil. The next step is to make a mixture of egg yolks and sugar. And for that, again, I'm going to be quite precise. I'm throwing the whites because I'm not using them this time, only the yolk. I'm adding sugar, also being precise. I'm simply mixing it well, and what I'm going to do right now is to prepare what we call a thermic shock, ice bath. When the mixture comes to boil, I pour all of it in here. I mix it well, and now here I am creating what we call a thermic shock. All that goes directly into the ice, on the ice, and we let the mixture completely chill. The best would be actually to leave it overnight, because then the mixture will get even more mature and get more flavor. But that's fine to use it right away too. Oh, look at those beautiful strawberries. So what I do, I just take the green part away. Ooh, big one. I'm going to slice them. I'm going like that, lengthwise, like that. Here I have these special ramekins, which are designed for creme brulee in particular. I'm going to distribute all these wonderful strawberries kind of in one layer, put on the bottom of each ramekin. So now what I'm doing, I'm transferring the mixture into the ramekins. I use the measuring jug, make it easier, and here we go. What is left now is to send them in the oven, but before we do that, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the bubbles. The reason why I try to get rid of the bubbles is because while we're cooking, basically that's the fat part which has become on the top, and it's not really nice. I remove them by the torch. These go in the oven. It's about 30 to 45, maybe an hour, because it depends on an oven and in particular oven. So I'd say about 30 to 40 minutes. So let's see how it goes. So they set, they cold, and they done, and what is left is just to glaze them with the sugar before actual service. I'm taking heaps of sugar, gently shaking it like that, shaking it off, and here I have a torch. This is Creme Brulee, this is Ilya Shalev, and I wish you a wonderful day.